Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money fast with side hustles. Many people seek quick ways to boost their income, and the good news is that numerous opportunities exist right at your fingertips. We will explore practical strategies that can help you earn extra cash within days, sometimes even hours. These methods are flexible, allowing you to fit them around your existing schedule. Let's dive into some effective approaches to get you started on your financial journey today. One of the quickest ways to earn money is by tapping into the gig economy. Platforms for food delivery, ride sharing, or even small task completion allow you to start working almost instantly. You can often sign up, get approved, and begin earning within a day or two. Many of these services offer flexible hours, letting you work when it suits you best, and some even provide instant cash-out options for your earnings, making it truly fast money. Another excellent method for fast cash is selling items you no longer use. Look around your home for electronics, clothing, furniture, or even old gift cards. Online marketplaces and local consignment stores provide immediate avenues to turn these items into money. Photograph your items clearly, write compelling descriptions, and set fair prices. Many people find they can make $100 to $200 or more in just a few hours by selling things they already own. To truly maximize your fast earnings, consider combining a few of these strategies. For instance, you could deliver food during peak hours and then list items for sale in between. Always prioritize gigs or sales that offer the best return for your time and provide quick payouts. Being reliable and offering great service will also lead to more opportunities and better reviews, helping you earn even more consistently. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.